It's Mandalo.
Mandalo, it's nerd out time. Nerd, 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 nerd. Mandalo, it's nerd out time. Knowledge rules. Mandalo, it's nerd out time. Fibonacci, golden pockets, juice. Nerd, 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 nerd. Mandalo, it's nerd out time. Nerd, 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 Mandalo, it's nerd out time. Juice.
Good morning. Good morning, good morning, good morning. Happy Thursday. Uh-oh. Uh-oh, hot dog. Good morning. Let's get it, Chexter, Nanad, Baratina. Yeah, starting to feel better. Thank you. JPX, VTR, Hannah Montana, Burbeezy, Houston, hit him with the goose. Hit him with the goose. Ace. Let's go. Pedro. Shout out to PSG. Il Pasoto. Shout out to Calling Noob. Kimba AI. Burgate. Curvies. Mark. We Fancy. MJ. No Diabito. Tigrin. Divav. Calling Noob. Maxi. Fredward. Let's go, Fredward. How we doing? Testing. How we sounding? Let's go, Mix Powers. Aim Talks. It sounds pretty good. Chili. VTR, JPX. Burbeezy. Shouts Burbeezy. Rafa. JV, good morning. Mark, calling noob. Happy Thursday, no Diabito. Let's get it. Who juicing? Fredward. Yeah. 2 letters, 1 word, gang. How about that juice? Well, Trump pumped it for us. Nvidia gave us a nice little push. How about that? Juice. Who juicing? Let's go, Ace. 2 letters, 1 word. Yeah. The meaning of life. I'm gonna keep it on this playlist today, but we gotta hear some 2 letters, 1 word. We'll come back to this. Let's go. Is my mic low?
Let it stack. We're on the rise.
It sounded okay on my mic test.
Hypnotize.
Hello, hello, hello.
Baseline, let it flow. Hands in the air now, lose control.
Well, crank it all. Crank the music, crank the mic. How about now? Is that better? Is that better? Yeah, I'll turn the music down once we get through this song. Well, we gotta get some 2 letters, 1 word up in here. The meaning of life. Yeah. Let's go. Shout outs KIMBA. Shout outs BTCC. Shout outs CoinWise. Let's go. We got some nice levels up in here. Hey, what happened? Maestro. Shout outs PSG. How we doing, Maestro? Addy Snaps. Baru. So Guru. Curvies. KIMBA's that update right now? Oh, wait.
Turn it up, feel it rise. 2 letters, 1 word, hypnotize. No limits, let it go. Choose the prophets now, let it flow. 2 letters, 1 word.
Exclamation Discord. Check out the KIMBA's Den. Shout outs to the Wise Lions. Been talking about this stuff all week. Exclamation NFT. Exclamation YouTube. Shout outs to the Discord VIPs, YouTube members, and NFT holders on Lions of Lithuania. If you don't know what I'm talking about, check it out in the Discord. We got people to help you out. Let's go, Prabai. Shout outs to the BLOFIN tournament. Exclamation Space Trade. Still going on. Oh.
Yeah. Yeah.
That was not planned.
Got joy all day. Got joy all night. Got joy is the way. Got joy is the vibe.
Yeah, previous day VWAP's interesting. Previous range POC, weekly open, all right here. Got a single print support. It's a multi confluence cluster right below. Little sweep. Tucking back in. That would be interesting. We got bad highs right above. This is a good high, but in the higher time frame, we left that little thing. That's an important level. It has been resistance for pretty much the whole time. Keep getting rejected, but right above, nearly equal highs, and then poor highs, weak highs, all the way up until we had that good high right here at 72. Yeah, we started to get value up here in the 70K range. It looks pretty good for at least cleaning that 72, and maybe even higher for like the true bearish retest at least. On the downside, you know, we got a lot of levels, but that was a straight, I mean, nearly a straight up move. Monthly close on TradFi tomorrow. Monthly close on everything on Saturday. Big options tonight. Well, tomorrow morning, depending on where you are. Exclamation Space Trade. Hit him with it, calling noob. Cachoya Maestro.
Cachoy, cachoy. Market makers.
Yeah, that's 66, 66.5 area. Another interesting level. You got structure through here.
Cachoy long, cachoy short.
Anchor VWAP from the bottom. Weekly VWAP.
Cachoy, market maker, market smash.
Previous day value area low.
Cachoy, leave it cachoy.
Whole lot of things lining up in that area, and you can even tighten that up a little bit for a really interesting area. And then of course we had that 65 and the single print. If that, you know, really starts to you know, maybe have a failed auction down below. Yeah, bad low right here. Straight up move. A lot of inefficiency there. It was like one time frame in the whole day yesterday. That shit was crazy. Nearly one time frame, but that was a pretty big move. Even if like price-wise, you know, price-wise it was only like 4K, but percentage-wise it was pretty nice. Dip and rip, yeah, possibly. You want to get some prediction points in? Nvidia's helping us. I mean, kind of. You got some big players in Binance trying to hold the price.
Wake up, check the charts, big up my bro, my G's. KIMBA gang, we they shine, watch how we glow. We lit. No wahala, we deflect.
Yeah, it's like 2,500 bid, like right below us. Between here and like 67.6.
Say we juicing from the left to the right. Right, see my charts, they be looking too nice.
Just on Binance perps.
I'm on, no lie, no lie. Trade that, flip that, take flight. Aye. Who juicing? KIMBA gang moving, no stressing, just cruising. Oh, yeah.
Mega juice. Let's go, So Guru.
Who juicing? KIMBA gang moving, no stressing, just cruising. Oh, yeah. More profit, no losing.
These Mandalo dildas.
Who juicing?
Yeah, I mean, look at the daily.
KIMBA gang, who flexing? KIMBA gang, we no stressing smoking lettuce with my charts, no regrets, just play my parts. Counting blessings, stacking profits, living life.
That's a little Mandala dilda.
We done stack that cheese. Crypto,
Lord.
NFTs. Big bags, we don't do no fees. Pass the vibe, we do it with ease. Hey, them say KIMBA
Pretty
gang
nice.
too fly. Money multiply, no lie. Chilling on an island, sky high. No stress, we just get by.
Yeah, it's still kind of doing this.
Life too short, make I choose. More proforts, more moves, more juice. KIMBA gang, we don't snooze.
Yeah, you can look at it that way.
No fake love,
Maybe
only
you
real
want to
ones
look at it
stay.
like
Making money in
this.
1,000 ways. If no big gains, then no delay. Nah.
You know, in high time frame. But we had a couple catalysts that might be nice for us. Let's see how this weekly close ends up. Monthly close is not going to look so great.
Counting blessings, stacking profits, living life. Living life, we going up.
I mean, we do have a few days. We do have a few days, but we got to make it up to like, I mean, 74.4 to even kind of look good to me. But there's been plenty of this before. You know, look how bad that looked, but it tucked back in. This is kind of what I'm making like a comparison with. So let's all let us pray! Exclamation! Let us pray! I had to find that Somber BZ. You remember that thing? Open interest did drop, but at the same time we had a lot of longs come in. There's a lot of shorts got closed out. So all through there, it's like 50,000 contracts. But it was like 300 million shorts closed, like 250 million in longs came in for the whole move. Net. Let's go, Chauncey. Good morning. How you doing? Shout out to Chauncey. Let's go. Shout out to all the mods, admins. Shout out to the whole team. Developers. Let's go, Chauncey. How things going down there? Is it summer, right? You're kind of getting on the last days of summer. Coincidence? I think not, Checkster. Coincidence? I think not. Perfect timing. Get your mind right and hit the charts. That weekly open. Forming support. Shout out to CoinWise levels. Maxi doing better, thank you. Yeah, it's been a rough little patch, rough couple days. Thank you. All good. How are you doing? You juicing? S&P, rip. Yeah, get that little clean on the open the other day, and then, oof. Yeah, clean a lot of that inefficiency up, and we got bad highs above. Yeah, it's weak right here. Got 7K, 70, 10. Interesting. And then, you know, that like correlates to index at like the 7K 70 10 area. All that's bad. Building a lot of value up here, don't you think? But we've been, what, in the 6,800 level for like since October? Jesus.
Damn, Kimba, you back at it again.
Crazy. Let's go, Rap Tourist. Maxi, glad to hear it. 65.8 was important, and you saw that as being a confluence zone.
dude yell, help me, I'm gonna die. Then he dipped quick. Market flip once he screamed, help me, help me.
Kind of the logic I think behind that is it's a lower high for CME. I mean, it would be for perps too, but that would be a good high here. Gap down. There's your single print and PDEQ. Yeah, that's structurally kind of interesting. But beyond that, trade into the gap. You know, you don't really want to like start getting value down there. So you're saying weekly VWAP curvies? That was you curvies, right? I know it's JV, my bad. Yeah, it's pretty deep in the gap. It would have to like really get out quickly if it traded all the way down there. Yeah, otherwise like probably the gap fill. But if it challenges gap, what I would be looking for more would be probably at least the first test of it, holding it, like bouncing from it. Unless S&P just gets straight up rejected. Reading some really interesting thing with Nvidia versus a lot of the other kind of higher time frame correlations and fundamentals. But let's get into probably next month's price action before that even becomes relevant. I don't even want to bring it into the conversation today. Yeah, we got not as great a highs on RTH, but it is going to gap down. Yeah, it was a pretty good sized gap. It was a really big single print that formed the other night. That was a juicy move. Shout outs to D-Treezy. Saving the market. Indolion, good morning. How we doing? How's YouTube doing? Let's go KIMBA gang always. Let's go Dolkong. Shout outs Lions over there on YouTube. Shout outs to Stream Element. Shout outs to KIMBA AI. Let's go Roscoe. How you doing, Dolkong? How you doing, KIMBA gang always? Gucci Magucci. Smoking on that Latucci. Shout outs to Coke Zero. Shout outs Biffum. Colin Noob. How are you doing, Indolion? Everything well? Dolkong is juicing. Let's go. Fippa Apper, let's go. Yeah, we need to get above VWAP first. Pretty tight range right now. I'd like to see like a little swing fail right here. Maybe it even like holds the single print. Maybe it fills it, but I would look for it to hold more than filling it. Just on that first tap. And then get right back up quickly and challenge these highs. Otherwise, I would be looking for like maybe a fail here and retest somewhere around that naked point of control and monthly VWAP.
no debate,
but possibly all the way up to previous day value area high. If it just runs straight up, we'd be looking for failed auction or swing failure. Yeah, I think S&P is going to have to really run hard for that to happen. But that's just my opinion. Let's go, Charizard. Let's go. Did you guys see the Cheetozard? That thing was sick.
I know they bark, I strike when ready, I they move like dogs. Peace in my zone, no they force my pace. Every level calm, I embrace that grace. Letters for the calm, plan for the case. KIMBA in the chair, we they own this space. Peace in my zone, no they force my pace.
Yeah, a lot of it came in like yesterday morning, so like I like that logic.
They smoke my letters, how they concentrate. No, they watch, no hater, how they elevate. Charts, they run, how they watch and wait.
That was during RTH. A lot of those positions came in though.
I they roll one slow, then I calculate. Entry clean, wrist tight, no mistake. Lions in the jungle, we don't play. Hyenas move wild, we move with grace. Real grace.
Yeah, like after the initial balance. So it's kind of like up here. When they started coming in, like, kind of towards the top, honestly. I know it may be a little more difficult to see it online. Let the chart unfold. I just smoke my letters, I they concentrate. No they watch, no hater, I they yeah, for like this big push right there with CVD. There's a lot of spot too.
I they roll one slow, then I calculate. Entry clean, wrist tight, no mistake. Lions in the jungle.
Yeah, and then the Trump candle, like 2K pump in like less than 30 minutes. And then they held structure, which was like the nicest thing about it. It was a giant single print. They like retraced most of it. But that was like pixel perfect structure hold. Funny enough, that gray box has been there for like forever. And it's like, these boxes, I mean, for God's sakes, these are like so juicy. I'm gonna get rid of that one. And I just drew this just because we were interested in that for structure. Along with previous day value area low. Oh, we're like almost at our ding ding ding. Let me save this, get on over to TARFI. Retest 70K. Fredward. Is it weekly value area high? Fredward.
Calculate placement. They ate by trace pure patience. My edge pure math, no statements. CPOs, I'm inside the range. Volume ledge, got 'em feeling strange. Value low, then I'm in my lane. S&V WAP just to press that pain. I ain't guessing, I'm locked with a thesis. Take move quick, I'm squeezing hyenas. All gas, no brakes, no leases.
68.2 is previous week value area high. Yeah, I had to turn it on. Hit him with the D. Yeah, I'm gonna turn it on in a separate window while market's open.
Open interest stuff, so I'm dialed in. POC holding less fouling. Delta red, then I smiling. This ain't hope, this is styling. Bagama's heat.
And then I'll switch it back over after we get the first couple minutes candle.
You scroll for memes, I scroll for WEEX. You 1.3, still take that flick, cause proper math make the profit stick. I got plans, no lotto, narrative tight like a bottle. Saddle wild and let them wobble, we in the seat, full throttle. Hit them with the D, fibs layered like lasagna. Kimba gang, this is the new saga. You lost, that's just karma. Hit them with the D, no FOMO, we just chill. Let the candles react, we still.
Uh-oh, hot dog.
That's the skill. Yeah, 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 hit 'em with the D. Yeah, 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 hit 'em with the D. Hit 'em with the D. Yeah, 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 hit 'em with the D.
Useless lines, records ho.
Zoning, hitting. They know me, clicking. Ay. I'm patient, I'm waiting, I'm feeling the wave. Got the feeling that it's fine, gonna break. I know that the prophets want me here right now. Zoning, hitting. They know me, clicking. Ay. I'm patient, I'm waiting, I'm feeling the wave. Got the feeling that it's fine, gonna break. I know that the prophets want me here right now. I want a 30-minute candle body. Just give me that 30-minute candle body. I just wanna get naughty. Marcus, I really love the way you move. Marcus, I really
Let's go. Ding, 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 ding. So Guru, hot dog.
like the way it moves.
JV, Indolion. No, no, Diabito. Sorry, I'm locked in. I was like trying to get my settings on this other layout looking better. Auto.
Price whispering, I can feel the weight. I'm just sitting with the plan in place. I know I'ma strike it here today. I know that the prophets want me here right now. Juice up, rising. Beat up, pumping. Ay. Price whispering, I can feel the weight. I'm just sitting with the plan in place. I know I'ma strike it here today. I know that the prophets want me here right now. Let the tape go crazy. We don't chase sweet gravy. KIMBA never shake it. Marcus, I really love the way you move. Marcus, I really love the way you move. Yeah, I really like the way you move. Yeah, I really
Weekly 66.8 February, it looks like. Yeah, yeah, somewhere around there. 66.7. You're right. 40 control, 64.4. That's an interesting level.
Marcus, I really love the way you move. Marcus, I really love the way you move. Yeah, I really like the
Oh,
way you move.
Cacholia.
Yeah, I really like the way you move.
It's just like gaps on gaps on gaps around here, isn't it? On RTH.
Kimba gang made
His single
another
prints.
one.
Juice on me now. Levels got me floating.
Yeah, maybe cleaning this. PDEQ is interesting. On the S, you got PDEQ and previous day value area low.
One tick, two, let it come through.
And that 69.30 was an interesting level.
That's the sound.
It was a high time frame important level.
Edge around me now. Juice in my veins. Levels in
You start getting value down there, we maybe retest like, I don't know, 69.20, 6900 on index, somewhere like that. There's some big gammas. We got 5 minutes in. Uh-oh. fake out. They said fuck your shorts. And holding that low. Leave it behind, Dokong. That's all the bulls would like. Yeah, I thought it might have cleaned. Hey, you still got to be aware of the potential dip to tip, especially with S&P pulling back. Let's go, Zidane. Yeah, the games aren't working. Sorry, you just like blew your load on something that's not working. Yeah, I just opened that to freaking see the candle points. Wow, I gotta go over into Binance for real because that's such a nutty little candle. Yeah, it was red.
Useless lines records. I said whole lot of damn juice. Quit playing with me.
Whole lot of damn juice. Let's go, Zidane. How are we doing? Yeah, throw. Let's go. Hey, you gonna be there for the talent show later? Exclamation dashboard, exclamation talent show. Yeah, throw is one of the song makers. Let's go, Mr. Larry's. How we doing? Let's go, Fabo VG. Wrong person. Good morning. How are you doing? You want it louder, Barentina? It's louder than usually. You're trying to vibe out, huh? Yeah, sorry. I should have really done that when I was quiet for 3 minutes. Let's go, Verbeezy. All right. Let's go, Mosley. How we doing? Gamma Gex is broken? Uh-oh. Oh no, it's just there isn't any OI there. Catch oil! I'm sure they're on it. Exclamation boot ammo. We'll check it out when it's fixed. Get the tip and let it rip. Let's get it. That's not a rip though. Single print support for now. Sandwich right in between a couple of important places. It's really like blasting on me. You guys hear me okay with the music this loud? S&P sandwich.
We ain't guessing. We map these plays. Crypto Twitch when the gamma sways. SPX leads.
Gigantic gap up yesterday.
KIMBA gang on it. We track those tracks. Discord lit. Got the flow in sync. Streams live. Got the markets linked. Squad talk. We break down scope. Zero DTE.
Yeah, we pretty much just ate through the single print and that was it.
Like it's game of chess. Price breaks down. We don't second second guess. You know what it is. Math and data, math and data, math and data, math and data. Yeah. You know what it is. KIMBA gang live. We don't trade off a whim. Yeah. Screaming, let's trade this. Every
You hear me? It's good. Okay. Yeah, I just felt louder than usual. Let's go. Shouts KCEX deposit bonus. It's a big one. 21K up to 21K and new user bonuses. Check them out. Exclamation KCEX. Exclamation dashboard. Space trade competition still going on. Whole lot of damn juice there. Nice juicy price action. We've had traders have been enjoyers. Let's go, Monbuel. Good morning. How are you doing?
We don't miss this flow. From Tokyo ticks to Chicago close. We see that flush. We know the tales. Order book gas when the dealer sells. We ain't hype. We just
Abubala.
Every move made in the pre-light night.
Let's go. Wrong person.
That's just a spark.
Can we get soul?
We already knew from the gamma chart.
You know what it is.
ETH. It was a strong move. It like definitely helped ETH and not really in the scenario that we thought, but it helped ETH a little bit anyways. Clean that. Held this to the pixel. I mean, that's just crazy. On that one candle. Yeah, that's an interesting level. Far more interesting now, but like, good lord. That box. That box. I mean, quit playing with me. It's a big box, but I mean, like, shit. To the pixel. To the pixel. That's juice. That stuff's been there. Those things have been there for a very long time. So levels are levels. The math is mathing. Okay, so I kind of wanted to see EPTC. I just was looking at it on my phone earlier and it looked like fucking you can see anything. Yeah, it's just like smacking that channel. Nothing to speak of. I mean, it's a nice candle and stuff, but it's nothing. Soul time. Juicy little push to 92. Did it clean? Yeah. Yeah, I'm less bullish on Soul now. Honestly. That was nice. It's holding the structure. That's good. If Biddy makes a push, Soul might be alright. That's not good. That was a nice clean. I mean, you got this right here and that right there, but this was local. It was like a lot of positions were kind of invalidated with this push here. So what's the you know, you got to get even higher for that motivation now. Yeah, that's almost like a reclaim in the 95 that we had talked about for a real long time. You got plenty of bad highs up above, but they're like, I don't know. But it is holding this structure from here. So you want this area to hold. Let's get, let me get a clean chart. Juice hit different when you chill with it. Trade look better when you real with it. No bad vibes, just thrill. And we're just gonna pull value. This is weekly value, by the way. Ain't no better time to vibe with the KIMBA gang. Ain't no better chart than the one that's here right now. We just flow. I don't like that as much either. But hey, get outside. That would be a nice thing. And this is point and control. Pretty interesting that it's that high in the range. Yeah, it's a structure VWAP value, like weekly value area. Previous week, point and control. You pull back down to like the 83 range, maybe. If that happens, maybe even not that deep. You know, just to like that previous week point and control. Would be an interesting area, but the fact remains that that level Jesus, I hate looking at the little candles like this. That was a really Gucci swing fail. Yeah, with all this inefficiency built on the way up. Juice, let's go Coke Zero. Yeah, it was pretty nice. And we got like, you know, closes down below this structure. Start falling back in here. Just gonna start looking for lower highs, lower lows until you get a change of structure. I wouldn't like try to catch a knife at any one of these specific levels on the way down. There's just no real value established through the range. Just kind of like, even if it's like 15 minutes, like look for a change of structure. But that's just my own slightly cautious approach. How we doing, Coke Zero? Good morning, brother. Are you doing all right? You juicing? I know you juicing. Ooh-wee, what is the dip the tip? Yeah, some of those news pumps take a day or two to retrace. You gotta remember what got this started. Some dumb fucking news tweet, and it really didn't do much to S&P. I was like, Nvidia's juicing. S&P has got this like $3 candle. Yeah, it traded through the night and everything. Just fine. Where was it? It was at like 8 o'clock. Yeah, it was like one of these candles. This candle right here. Well, I just lost it. Yeah, this candle was a $2,000 biddy pump. That was cleaning these bad highs all through here and a lot of liquidity. Look at the volume on that on CME. I mean, albeit it was in ETH, but like, look at that shit. That's the smallest green candle for like almost all of these. Easy dip the tip. Yeah. I mean, there's people that just play gaps. They're like, oh, we're under the gap, we're shorting that. First test, dip the tip. I don't care. Not financial advice. Let's go, Mosley. I know Coke Zero is. Yeah, that served up that freaking short on a platter, didn't it? Right into Macaulay.
Levels moving heavenly.
You just came back from work, Bumbule. Hope you had a good day. Nice way to kind of wind down. You're looking for 85 to hold? Yeah, 85 to like 83, 82 maybe would be pretty important to be held. Otherwise, I think like it might run it all the way back down to like the 70s, 75, 76. Yeah, pretty much. That's your dip the tip. Santers. Yeah, but stick around. You'll see this a lot. It traded into the gap and rejected pretty quickly. That's called dip the tip. Yeah, if it trades in and gets closes inside, it's not dip the tip. The longer you spend in a gap or in a single print, the more likely, the higher the probability is for that level to be filled. Doesn't mean that it's going to, doesn't mean that it's a guarantee, but it just increases the probability for continuation and filling. Yeah, looks like we just grabbed the single print. Yep. Hey, there's that 69.36 level. And was that PDEQ? Yeah, look for that to maybe hold. Tuck back in. That's kind of nice. Look at that candle. Look at that volume bar. Jeez. Yeah, and right here, Santers. So it opened up right here, traded inside, and then went up, and that was a dip the tip in the opposite direction. It didn't close inside. It was like right back out in the same candle, and just kept on pushing with strength and volume right through the session, most of the session anyway. Through lunch. Yeah, we talked about the 66. Check out KIMBA's Den. Exclamation Discord. 59. Rafa. Wait, not holding this 66? Yeah. I don't like 59. I like 58. Area 57. Yeah, but you know, that's just like lower highs and lower lows again, so that happens. It's like you might get a bounce. It could give us some more juicy rebounds, which is all we really want trading. But you're, you know, like that's probably not the pixel bottom like Bugatti generational wealth spot buy. You know, I've been wrong before though. If you ask Mrs. Mandalo, I'm wrong on the daily. I think she's listening on her phone. Shout out to Mrs. Mandalo. This is where I started out. What's up, Tanik? How we doing? You juicing? Y'all giveaway winners, y'all start getting some of your funds in. Yeah, but to really answer your question, Rafa, we filled the gap and put in a good low at that 62. That was a Fibonacci level as well. So it holding, I mean, it doesn't have to go back. That was a good move, regardless of when they moved it. The market reacted and pushed it upwards, kind of building on that foundation of holding those lows. That's pretty far too. Yeah, we moved up pretty hard, but retracing this. Let's go, Frenzy. Are you at the train station? Yeah, for Edward. Vibing. Let's go, Bad Bunny. Yeah, Tinnick. Let's get it. Shorts, longs, mediums. Yeah, we're in all three, right, Fredward? Let's go, Santers. Mark. Dude, that shit was so funny that one day. I still can't believe that. That's so funny. Look at that. Was that a full grab of the single print? Too clean. At the station. Hey, I'm strong if you strong. Let's go, Prabai. Let's go, Frenzy. Yeah, I think we're just vibing. Shout out to CoinWise though, like helping us to identify these gaps so easily. Marking them out, marking the fills, fill percentages. I don't put the table on because it's just like my chart already has like fucking so many indicators. But man, juice. We got levels, we got gaps, and we got TPO PVP on here. That's the only indicators I have on this chart. I mean the candle colors, but that doesn't count. That's just our wall. Pretty much, it's like a version of it. And we have our wall. Or we have access to it with CoinWise. Yeah, it's not on here. So what's the see the other layout? I don't remember where this one is. That one? I haven't played around with this very much. Oh my god. Get this thing in RTH. It's your R-ball. Does this look familiar? RSI, CBD, buy and sell, R-ball. It's got everything you need for CME pretty much, at least for now. Let's go, Nibbler. Santers, you checking out the Discord? Nerding out in there? Yeah, this single print Santers. This has a lot going on with it, but it's still clean. It's nice. Yeah, I like to have Delta with this personally, but it's a cool layout. Shouts to CoinWise and layouts. Yeah, quite a few are available and shared. Got a new video coming out. I think it's today. It's a pretty juicy one. Entries. Yeah, they have an entry series I think that they're working on. Looking nice. Got Trading Journal. I know a video on that's coming out soon. All these beautiful indicators. And some more juices coming. I synced it. I synced it. Let's go, CoinWise. Shout out to the CoinWise team. Hey, big shout outs to the KTV team also. Big cheers. KIMBA. QC Cage. Buzz. Cyper. Chauncey. Chauncey was just popping in. You still watching, brother? Let's get it. MGK. Tiggy. Coin Nerd. Hooray! Let's go. Houston, you talked to Coin Nerd lately? It's actually like, and I miss him, but it's a good thing if you haven't talked to Coin Nerd in most cases, because like it's mostly like, hey, welcome to the rice fields. Let's go. Shout outs to everybody that's gotten nerded. You're gonna go fishing next week, nice. He was gonna go frog gigging with me, but then he was like, what the fuck is frog gigging? If you know, you know. Shout outs to my southern homies. I for real, I've never been frog gigging, but I think it's funny. Yeah, it's a backstory to that, but I will save that for another day. Maybe the PSG. Yeah, Burbeezy. Hey, QC, you going offshore fishing or you going like catfishing? I could see him doing some sport fishing. Yeah. Yeah, you get some marlin down there. Maybe some sailfish. What are you going for? Yeah, well, shit, my 64K short is so underwater that you might be able to pull me out when you guys go offshore. Let's go, maybe Band-Aid. Welcome back, brother. Hey, hope everything is well. Hope you're feeling better, dude. Some mackerels on the hook. Let's go. Let's go, Adrian Rust. Dude, I used to work at a fishing pier. That was a pretty cool job, honestly. It was so easy. On my breaks, I would just go surfing, and I would just have a line in the water the whole time that I was there. It was sick. But it didn't pay that good, so, you know, it was fine for being in high school. Stuck in Uber traffic. Let's go. Kachoya! Maybe. What are you in? You in anything things? He's in longs and shorts and mediums all over the place. Right, Fredward? You know the lion's juicing. Maybe he's making moves. He's making moves in the charts. He's making moves IRL. Yeah. You guys were worried about him being sick, but I mean, dude, he's a fucking warrior. Isn't that right, Coke? Let's go, Coke Zero. Let's go, maybe. Uber in traffic. Shouts to your Uber driver. I'm riding around in a Hyundai Elantra in my Uber. No, and just in everyday life, that's my car. What's this? What's the smallest one? That's the one that I have. The Hyundai Moped. That's it. I'd like to see the professor on a moped. That would be pretty funny. Shout out to CoinWise. Exclamation CoinWise 2-week trial. Right word. That's shit, dude. This is a smart car. Today is a special day, is it? It's a holiday. Every day's a holiday. Every day's a celebration. We popping champagne. Like today's a fucking holiday. Doing great. Nitrogen, how we doing? Shout out to PSG. How y'all doing? Juicing. Syed. Curvies. I'm feeling the smart car. My sister used to have a mini convertible. And she like kept it for like 6 months. She was like, this thing is fucking stupid. It's like a fun little car, but you can't do anything with it. But shout out to all the Lions that are driving Mini Cooper convertibles. Yeah. For real. For real. She went from that to like a gigantic lifted Jeep. It was on like 38s. It looked like the fucking Batmobile kind of. It was a big difference. Shout out to the space trade. Yeah, and of course shout out to BTCC, 10% deposit bonus and fee rebates on S&P trades. It's what the KIMBA trades are on the live scalping stream. We got a talent show coming up later, viewing party, and then I think it's the season finale coming up next week. You may be able to still get a submission in exclamation count talent show. Let's get it. Yeah, big money up for grabs. Yeah, should be a good time. Let's go, Mark. I can't remember who asked that question either. I wonder if they like, dude. I wonder if they just immediately logged out. I would be bummed if they did. I don't even know what like come across me that day. Luxury trains you can take somewhere in the US. I don't think they have luxury trains here. I don't know. You get your own train cars. That's juice. I've seen those things decked out. Amtrak, but it's not really luxury. I-19. I don't know. I haven't ridden Amtrak in like. Are they? Are they? Do they have like first class cars? I haven't ridden Amtrak since I was like a little kid. Trains just like aren't a thing here. We want to burn gas. We want to sit in traffic. I don't know what the fuck is wrong with America. Train wide somewhere sounds nice, yeah, but if you're like sitting here driving through like the US, it's not like scenic Europe or something, or Japan. It's very hard to live there, yes, it is. Dude, you get taxes on taxes, like, it is not... Fredward. Yeah, he said it. Who juicing? Yeah. Who juicing? Rent the whole cabin, I-19. That's dope. Yeah, but are the seats comfortable? I don't care if I get a whole cabin full of freaking bus seats.
We juicing. We juicing. Yeah.
I love this song. They play it on the talent show quite a bit. I think they play it on the Who Juicin' premieres also. Yeah, the vibes are right. I had to hear it this morning though. How is Who Juicin' doing? Exclamation Who Juicin'. Something else except for the subway? Yeah, I feel you. Rafa. Yeah, I mean, dude. I feel that too, for real. You can get on Amtrak from right there in the city. Yeah, if you're just going to like Philly or something, or DC, like it's kind of legit. If you're going city to city, if you're going to like the beach or something, that's just hella inconvenient. See? Dude, the DC Metro occupies like 50 square miles, and they make all of Virginia pay for that shit. It is fucked up. I'm just gonna complain about taxes, or just move so I don't have to pay them anymore. Shout out to Dubai. I'm gonna come live with my Dubai brother. Who over there in Dubai right now? I'm just gonna like actually move to Palau. Let's go maybe Band-Aid. I'm gonna go from digital resident to actual resident. You wanna come visit? I'm just gonna be camping in your yard for a little bit while I look for a trailer to live in or something. Let's go. It's beautiful. Oh, Yusi's in Dubai. Yusi, can I sleep in your car in the parking garage? Tinnick, dude, I have like, I'm never serious pretty much unless we're talking about the charts. Let's see what we can listen to now. I don't remember which one's Kimba Dilda. I'm trying to find it.
Kimba on the beat.
Keep it on jump, keep it on jump, keep it on jump, keep it on jump, posted on the chart, catching that feel right. Mad talk chart, walk ready for the flip side. Data got me focused. Kimba got the green light. CVD divergences stacking up on both sides. Price at the high, I'm watching absorption. Watching on our steady levels in motion. Trading with the crew, yeah, Kimba gang devotion. Never miss the move, patience is the potion. Hit the zone, now I'm all in. Wrist tight, never stalling. CVD, Prince exhaustion calling. Bounce come quick, got that math installed in. Keep it up, jump, jump. Keep it on jump, jump. Levels in the mix, gotta get that hit, Kimba on the chart, let that data drip, Stacking them CVD lines when I see dips,
Yeah, it was fun, right, Crap Mama? Shout out to Crap Mama.
Price on the move, CVD divergence.
This is a Kimba song. Let's go Edge Fit. Shout out to Kimba. Were you listening to this yesterday? For real? Shout out to Kimba. Microsoft is juicing. Yeah. Yeah, shout out to Palau. Exclamation Palau. I could be the first trader that actually lives there. What are you talking about, dude? Four stories. Houston, that is dope, but I want the one that I was kind of hoping that you were like parking your car in your penthouse, because you know, like the Bugatti penthouses are like that. The Porsche ones are, I think the Bentley ones are. So I was kind of hoping to be like, you know, low key in the penthouse, even though I'm like not welcome. 17th of June, Santers. How you know this? Dude, doing detective work. I was here. I can't remember that. Juicy. He's running like some Sherlock Holmes detective work. Does it say that date on the thing?
Keep it on jump. KIMBA gang, data talk, price walk, no stop.
Houston, was it for real? It was on there yesterday? That song is vibes. Hey, that's all KIMBA vocals.
KIMBA on the beat.
Right there, you hear that? Oh. I got you. Santos, you're going through the whole catalog, aren't you? That's juicy. You picking up some juice there? I love it. I love seeing the lions looking at the old streams. Yeah, that's juicy. That's so cool. Let's go, Kirby's. Let's go, Santers. Wait, is this the Kimba Dilda Day? I don't even remember what the song sounds like. That's my lyric, though. Dude, it was supposed to rhyme with something else. And then he just, like, swapped the lines. It's so funny. I think he did that on purpose. Right, Houston? Juice, 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 juice. Bugatti, 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 Bugatti. It's gotta be testnet. It's gotta be testnet. It's gotta be testnet. What's going on, Houston? Oh, whoops. It sounded like it had the...
KIMBA, you wildin' on this.
Oh, this one is it, isn't it? Is this the one? Okay. He said this needs to be saved for KIMBA live trading. Alright. Well, we got a good fitting song for right now. Oh!
KIMBA gang.
Honestly, this is way more fitting with what we're doing right now. Holy shit! Bugatti! Who juicing? Who juicing? Let's go, Frenzy. Frenzy.
KIMBA gang, Fibonacci, proper risk, stay steady, golden ratio, no fear, move deadly. SNP confirms the move. Help me, SNP, help me, help me.
Let's go, who juicing? Oh, Frenzy's hitting it with the 2 letters, 1 word. Yeah. Let's go, Fredward. S and who help me? I mean, he's helping the shorters. Ooh-wee. Yeah, KIMBA's Den from yesterday. Relevant. Exclamation Discord, KIMBA's Den. If you know, you know. Yeah, if you missed the beginning, rewind. We got the juice. We'll dip the tip. We got 10 minutes left in our initial balance, and this is a juicy one. JV called it. He did. Shout out JV. Exclamation, who juicing? How's who juicing doing? Let me see this. Good Lord, I want to switch it, but I don't at the same time. This is freaking a thing of beauty. Yeah, I'll still look for this previous week VWAP right here. Not much below that, other than this nice low. And was that during RTH? Yeah. This low is not the greatest.
KIMBA gang math up, yeah, you know how we roll. Young
Yeah, just come up and get the single print for
gold.
fan.
See the flex, see the set, yeah, we came from the cold.
Well,
now we stacking up,
right back to
just got
value.
the bankroll swole. If you talking that talk, better back it up. Cause the gang outside and they acting up.
Let's go, Zamil. Good morning, how we doing? Curvies hit him with the other goose. Is that the goose on fire? It's a hype cheer. Fredward's got the goose. Yeah, JV. Classic dip the tip, Thomas Casper. That's right. Classic.
Check it. Pull up like a Don wrist on Aquafina.
Timu Goose.
Move like chess, I don't play no sim. New
Yeah.
too sick, got me swerving through
Yeah.
lanes with a big 4/5 in case they
67 or
act insane.
67.
I see the hate in their eyes, but
Yeah, we
I
talked
just
about that a
laugh.
little.
Cause when the numbers add up, they do the math. KIMBA gang move heavy, no lightweight team. Still screaming KIMBA gang gang. Huh?
Yeah, we need to see order flow, I think. Shooty, 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 whoa. Printing on shorts. Let's go, crap mama. He got his arm stuck. He was like, I think it reminds me of that dude. Like, we were talking about Office Space a couple weeks ago, Fredward, but you know, the jump to conclusions guy that he like broke all his arms and legs and stuff, and he was like in the hospital bed.
Big KIMBA.
Yeah,
Swiggity swaggity.
the beast. Yeah. And longing. Yeah, that's it. Oh. He's like, and longing, and then gap fill but not mine coming on, and like, look at this fucking gap below. We discussed this. You stick to your plan though, brother. I'm not gonna say one thing or another. No clue to where the CP is short. What was your plan when you came into it? Exclamation 0. We looked at that. PDEQ is kind of interesting. Weekly VWAP. But this hole has like a number of levels of confidence right here. Value area low, previous day. Anchor VWAP from the bottom. Structure. You don't want it to tuck back in. It actually did on that first one, but you gotta wait for the second to confirm. Aggressive move got stopped out quickly. Aggressive long. Yeah, I didn't tuck back into the value, which is more important there. And then S&P did not help at all. Big shorts coming in. Look at like real order flow.
Now the session's hot, ETH is done, the RTH bell, that's where we run, the price comes close, we're watching tight, gap feels fast, better play it right, don't get caught.
Hey, but sometimes it goes the other way all at once.
The market's wild, but we in control, dip your toes, then let it roll.
every single time. Next time it dips, you know the way. Dip the tip.
Yeah, that
then
first
right
candle
away.
is like the biggest volume candle for like since that low. Looks like. Yeah. Ranging. Close the gaps, weekly POC, then we're in the 72.
Traders, it's time to shine. When the
Yeah.
market dips, don't
And you
waste
get the
a
higher
trick,
low
we run
structure.
that RTH quick.
Like,
The tip. Let's go. Tip.
another higher low.
Hey, hey, hey.
That'd be pretty cool forward.
The price drops low into the zone. RTH gap, yeah, we in the zone. Touch that level, you know it's lit. Liquidity grab, then it's time to flip. Bounce to the top, hit that wick. Moan that poppin', we moving quick. The market's hot, it's a fast-paced race. Dipping in the gap, now set the pace. Slide, slide, slide to the
Oh
left.
man, Bugama's still not all working.
Bounce to the right. Watch the art gap ignite. Dip the tip.
I mean, 6800 has a gigantic level for all expirations. Yeah, 6860.
Just like that. Take a sip.
And then for today, 6980 was by far like, I mean, it was bigger than all of them combined.
That's where we run. The price comes close. We're watching tight. Gap feels fast. Better play it right. Don't get caught when the wick runs deep.
That's what I'm looking at right there. 6980 and then 6800 is pretty big.
Then let it roll. That's the play every single
A lot of loans stopping out.
Next time it dips, you know the way. Dip the tip, then right away. Let it whip. Let it flip. Oh, we don't slip.
We haven't had too much offsides on Bybit lately. Yeah, this short's like holding it all the way through. Like, fill me, fill me, fill me. They're gonna start to be in profit. But they were short from here. That's gonna be interesting when it hits this level, like the low 66s. If it gets there, we might get a little bounce from some of those underwater shorts closing. I know, sorry, Fredward. I know. Wait, do we got anything on? I hate these little pop-ups. Not really. I closed these a little while ago. I'm in 2Z. What the hell is that? Shout out to anybody that's traded 2Z, like whatever that thing is. Not really that much going on through here. Coinbase, Coinbase had a lot up here. I'm not gonna like flip around that much. I'm pretty much. I just want to watch the price action. Pretty nice little tap on previous week VWAP. That's a big single print. Stack single prints. a little thing right there. CME, your initial balance has finished. Wide initial balance, we might be just ranging the rest of the day. You know. Skeller in the house, spread word, let's get it. Yeah, that was Bybit, coin margin perps. Tinnick. Exclamation EXO for the order flow on OKEX, Bybit coin margin, and Binance. Free for all, exclamation EXO. And the Boogammas. Exclamation Boogamma. And then we got Bootmap. Shout out to the Bootmap enjoyers. We've had some people come in the stream because of these YouTube streams. Exclamation BTC Live. Big cheers to Biff. Let's get it, Biff. Shout out to Biff'em. Yo, exclamation merch. What the fuck, ES? Jazzkier. Jazzkier, I mean, this song is just like, you said that at the perfect time. We already listened to this song, but I kind of want to listen to it again just because. Does anybody have a problem with that? Yeah, the top Boogammas are having a problem. Let's go Santers. Yeah, NVIDIA. Yeah, let's open the NVIDIA chart. We said that we were going to talk about it. Let's go maybe. He's in a short. He's in shorts and longs and medium, Fredward. Kachoy on them hoes. Welcome to the rice fields, motherfucker. Oh. That's a big kachoy. Gap down. I mean, going for this whole gap. That'd be interesting right here. And you got fibs. It looks like the 7.5. Maybe 7.86. Not even. Yeah, but close to the 7.5. Gap fill, but not mine. That's a huge kachoy. That's monthly VWAP right there. It's our daily gap about to close. For those daily gap enjoyers, you want this to hold. That was looking so good too, wasn't it? Those lows are terrible.
On them hoes. All we know is kachoy. All we know is kachoy. All we know is kachoy.
VRVP instead of fixed range.
Market makers.
Yep. Well.
Kachoy on them hoes.
Man.
Kachoy long. Kachoy short. Market long. Market short. Kachoy. Market maker. Market smash.
How to work trading view. Okay, so from like here. Yeah, 180, 182. Maybe a higher low. Get Fib a nasty on them. Let's go, Leo. Shout out Fib nasty. Swept. It's going for it. Okay. Who's going for it?
I could try all day, cut.
We're going for the, maybe testing that gap. You got the cleaner candle, maybe?
Deeper to his bag, cut joy. Let's cut joy. Let's cut joy.
And
Cut joy on them hoes. Cut joy long, cut joy short. Market long, market short. Cut joy.
we still got our little box.
Cut joy. Sado, that's a cut joy. Bottom short, cut joy. Top long, cut joy. Cut joy. Let's cut joy. Enjoy. Cut joy on them hoes. Cut joy on the daily.
Oh, yeah, Zamil. Yeah.
Cut joy if you hate me. Cut joy.
Yeah, I feel you.
Cut joy on the daily. I'm cut joy. Cut joy with me, baby. Cut joy. Cut joy. Don't hate the player, hate the game. Joy on the daily. Cut joy. Cut joy, baby.
Yeah.
Cut joy, baby.
I wouldn't be so stuck on that number, but if it's,
Cut joy. Cut joy.
let's say,
Cut joy short, market long, market short.
I mean, that's pretty good. I'd say like higher than that if it's aggregated, especially, yeah. If it's like 40 million on Bybit, like that is way offsides. If it's 40 million on Binance, that's a lot and it's offsides, but it's not nearly the type of volume that you get in Bybit. Or Bybit doesn't have nearly that type of volume that Binance does. So proportionally, that's not extremely offsides. It could be a couple of traders. And it's not coin margin that you're looking at there.
Market maker, market smash.
They want your Bitcoins. You're in the short from 120K. Shout out to you, brother. Yeah. Stand up if you still got a, let's just say a short from above 110. Still running, even partials. It can be a 1x hedge. I know you do, maybe. You should have wrote 007, maybe, because you sniped that one. Never close shorts. It is protection for your lungs and your spots. 1x hedge. I'm dude. Fred, where you think I'm kidding? You're not gonna get licked. I mean, a spot short. Come on, man. But basically, yeah, when I see people like 1x long something, I'm like, why? But shorting, it makes sense. I think that they're less likely to use extreme leverage. It just seems like they are slightly more sophisticated in their strategies, and so when you have one of them go offsides, then it's like, oh shit, we gotta get this dude. At least in like the hunter mentality.
Trade my way to bigger checks. See my table, it be set.
BTCC, grab 66.5. Juice.
We juicing from the left
Hey, that's
to the
that level, wasn't it?
See my charts, they be looking too nice. Let us stack in, I'm on no lie.
We talked about what, 66.8?
Take flight.
PDEQ, perfect. Perfect.
Who juice? KIMBA gang moving.
And then we talked about on the weekly.
More profit,
See,
no
I can't
losing.
remember which layout I had it on.
Who juice? Who juice? KIMBA gang moving. Gang moving. No stressing, just cruising. More profit, no losing. Woo. Who juicing? KIMBA gang. Who stacking? KIMBA gang. KIMBA gang. Who flexing? KIMBA gang. KIMBA gang. We no stressing now. We no stressing now. Smoking lettuce with my charts. No regrets, just play my part. Counting blessings, stacking profits, living life. Living life, we going up. On we they stack that cheese. Crypto, forex, NFTs. Big bags, we don't do no fees.
There we go.
That's the vibe, we do it with ease. Hey, them say KIMBA gang too
It shifted.
fly. Money multiply,
It shifted even like in the last 30
No
minutes.
stress, we just get by.
Because I threw these on here and it was that was value area low. I wish that we could have like the
more juice. KIMBA gang, we don't snooze. We up, Charles they move, I they ride my wave. No fake love, only real ones stay. Making money in 1,000 ways. If no big gains, then no delay. No.
The settings on it. For recording style. Developing.
Who juice? KIMBA gang. Who stacking? KIMBA gang. KIMBA gang. Who flexing? KIMBA gang. KIMBA gang. We no stressing now. We no stressing now. Smoking
Yeah,
lettuce with my
when
charts.
I drew it, it was like here.
Counting blessings, stacking profits, living life. Living life, we going up.
And it shifted. If we rewind the chart price action, it probably would show it. That's pretty cool.
KIMBA gang. Hey, yo, turn me up.
Pixel top long at 5200.
Yeah. KIMBA gang.
Oof. Nice.
Monster in my hand, but not the
Yeah, I know. JV. I like to not have it on there. It's just like too busy.
Monster in my hand, chart going per pink. Monster in my hand, but not
Usually anyway.
monster in my hand, run up the bands.
Yeah, but it is previous value area low, or pretty damn close to it where it went.
I don't need luck, I just need levels. Fair blind touch.
Previous week value area
special.
low.
Counter turn green.
Is that what you're talking about, JV?
Run up investment. Sato loss. That's a quick deposit. KIMBA gang up. No need to gossip. Juiced up wick. Check the composite. He caught slippage. Should have been cautious. Fibs hit gold in pocket. Now it's a run.
Yeah, somewhere around 66.7.
KIMBA got
That's pretty
tons.
nice.
Chart do a flip. Bag it and dumb. Proper RR. That's how it's done. Monster in my hand, but not the drink.
Damn, JV. TP'd all of it from 126 to 60. That's a juicy position, dude.
Watch out, it blink. Monster in my hand, chart going per pink. Entries clean, wrist on freeze. Woke up late, still print with ease. Fibs on
Yeah,
tight,
JV's
no
crushing
extra
it.
fees. Profit hit,
Shouts to
we
you, man.
overseas. Lions eat high ends,
How about
get right.
packs?
Saddle red, I'm still collecting. KIMBA gang, check the projection. Whole squad up, proper direction. Who juicing? Sato. Wait, where you go? Monster in my hand, but not the drink. Yeah. Monster in my hand, but not the drink. Yeah. Monster in my hand, watch how it blink. Goddamn. Monster in my hand, chart going for pink. Goddamn. Juice the wick, running it up. Proper RR, don't need luck. KIMBA gang, we stacking it up. Sato lost, that's so tough. Who's juicing? Yeah.
What packs are you trading, dude? The All Share Index, Euronext,
KIMBA gang, monster in my hand, but not the drink.
Pixel top long at 5200.
Not the drink. Yeah. Monster in my hand, watch how it blink. Goddamn. Monster in my hand, chart going pop pink. Goddamn. Monster in my hand, but not the can. Monster in my hand, run up the band. Monster in my hand, fibs on demand. Goddamn.
Get gold.
In my hand, if you hear clapping, those are not my hands. I don't need luck, I just need levels. Fib line touch entry so special. Candle turn green, stack it like Tetris. Pip by pip, run up
Yeah.
investment. Saddle loss, that's a quick deposit.
I
KIMBA
see
gang
you.
up, no need to gossip. Let it so green, you thought I was a roster. He caught slipping, should have been cautious. Monster in my hand,
You know, that's a solid entry, dude. You know what you're doing. Loans from yesterday didn't close. Yeah, not really. A little bit. I think it's mostly the top longs. We're pretty close. Pretty close. Look at them bringing it back. Get that initial balance and then like okay. Well, we broke structure, so I'll be still looking for this to be resistance.
Now we overseas. Lions eat, hyenas get wrecked. Saddle red, I'm still collecting. Kimba gang, check the projection. Whole squad up, proper direction. Who juicing? We juicing.
Who juicing? Where did the index go? That's 6860 once again. Yep. Shoutouts KIMBA Den. Exclamation Discord. Exclamation Discord. Exclamation dashboard for the full stream schedule. We got talent show coming up later. Viewing party should be juicy. Live trading Monday, Wednesday, Fridays. KIMBA and BTC trades. BTCC trades. Correction. He's got monsters in his hand, but not the drink.
Monster in my hand, chart going put pink.
Chart going put pink.
Monster in my hand, but not the can. Monster in my hand, run up the bands. Cash. Monster in my hand, fibs on demand. Goddamn. Monster in my hand, if you hear clapping, those are not my hands. Catch yours. I don't need luck, I just need levels. Field line touch, it's just so special. Candle turn green, stack it like Tetris.
What is Sato doing or Astro? I don't know. Exclamation who juicing, you can see. Shout outs to the BLOFIN space trade, exclamation space trade. How to train your monster, let's go. Shout outs PSG. Yeah, gold, let's go, Fredward. Yeah, you're gonna be fine on that. I think. Oh, let's go, Buzz. Who juicing is working on the juice. Let's go, KIMBA gang, always. Exclamation coin wise. KIMBA gang always hitting us with the juice. Shout outs, Buzz. Did you have a good birthday? Exclamation merch, exclamation coin wise, 14-day free trial. Got a new video coming out later, and quizzes. I think they got a handful of quizzes coming out for the weekend. Yeah, so the users, if you've been juicing on the videos, you can test yourself and really try to drive the knowledge home. Really good and beautiful indicators, trading journal, and more to come. I am privy to some juicy stuff coming. I can't wait. Yeah, it's gonna be awesome.
Yeah.
Crap mama, dude, you lost me there.
Yeah. No rate cuts, but I'm still balling.
You're conversing with Buzz. Let's get it. Obviously, you speak Macedonian. Don't think less of me because of my name. It is Espanol,
Still ballin', I'm still ballin'. Stack up, check the tape, Jerome speaking.
not Macedonian.
Spy moving slow, but my team eating. Risk to reward, man, we too seasoned. If the pivot don't hit, then we keep beastin'. Fed watch, got my eyes on the race,
yeah, for sure.
CXY up, trying to test my fate, Bears want blood, but we
Sanders, where are
still
you?
wait, Market ain't
part of the
shaking, I'm
world?
still feeling great, Wait on the trend, then we step in.
No rate
Pop a
cuts.
lot size, never stressing.
Hey, any last minute charts anybody want to see? Any questions? We're gonna be winding it down in a few minutes here. So you know what it is. You know what it is. We'll be back again soon. It'll vibe out until like a couple minutes before the 4-hour close. Nothing. Yeah, I couldn't even make it at the gap. I still think it might. I mean, that's a pretty aggressive move off the open.
KIMBA gang up, no guessing. Juicing them charts, finessing. No
Yeah, a little
rate
deeper than we
cuts, but
wanted.
I'm still ballin'. Waiting on the data, I ain't never stalling. No rate cuts, but I'm still ballin'. Juicing up the
Goes
charts,
outside of
yeah, we
Pete.
profit callin'.
Below
No rate cuts, but I'm
weekly
still
VWAP in
ballin'.
previous day
No rate cuts, no panic. Bulls, Bears, we
value
all
area
lines organic.
on that
KIMBA
first
gang
hour
move,
candle.
never frantic. Juiced up, I'm
Yearly open, for God's sakes.
Feds ain't cutting rates, but I'm still ballin'. Market choppy, but my gang still callin'. No rate cuts, but I'm still ballin'. Power be
We're gonna go
talking,
with
but we
another
know we
one, I
bluffing. KIMBA gang lettuce, we stay puffin'.
We ain't stopping.
Get some chill vibes. Let's go for Edward. Let's go Jay Becker. How we doing? Shout out to PSG.
Juice overflowing. We ain't stopping. We just grind.
Shout out to BTCC giveaways all month. Yeah, this is like the first stream that we've had in a while that didn't have them, but you probably saw in the Discord that'll be back soon. They were updating something with it. Yeah, but juice. Big deposit bonuses, fee rebates. Oh, 7.5 to 05. What's the 7.505 bullshit? Fucking idol. Let's go, brother. How you doing? It's been a while. You doing all right? What's this 7.505 bullshit? What's the 7.505 bullshit on here? Yeah, pretty close. Here's your 7.5. Here's your 05 pixel. Pretty nice. Big range, 7.505 bullshit. Noise, noise. Yeah, a lot of things line up in this mid-range. Popo. Were you talking about on Bitcoin or on TradFi? It definitely was on all the Bitcoins.
Run it up, KIMBA gang, turn it up, KIMBA gang, run it up, turn it up,
Yeah,
turn
that's kind
it
of
up.
like our threshold for deepness. We're right up here. PDEQ and previous week value area high. No, low was right there. Maybe it'll let me copy it over. I don't think it will because this is an app and the other chart I have open is the web. Get some shorts pretty heavy into the bottom. I think those are from Binance. We can cross-reference that. Is Bugama's working yet? It might be down for a little bit. Bummer. Let's see if we can figure out where all those things came in. This is the fastest way to do it. Exclamation XO. Exclamation XO. This is available for all. Binance. 5 at USDT. Both of them. Kind of heavy into the lows, but Binance for sure. I don't even have desktop XO open right now. Pretty cool. Shout out to KIMBA for providing all of this juice for us. Shout out to the entire team. Shout out to Reddy. Yeah, big shout outs to Gypsy, Byte, Coinwise. Shouts to all of the mods and admins, Cage, Husty, Buzz, Cyber, Chauncey, MGK, Tiggy, Coiner. Let's get it. Let's get it. Am I forgetting anyone? I know I am. Shout outs to the NFT team. Shout outs to all of the Lions. Shout outs to Biffum, Calling Noob, Coke Zero in the house. Fredward, Ace, Orchata, Mark, Esky Dude, Burbeezy. Shout outs to Burbeezy. Much love, Burbeezy. It is a beautiful gang. You're beautiful. And your ninja's looking tight. Let's go with Sentis. Yeah, we're wrapping it up. I think my voice is going. It's a good chill song. Let's go Santers. The butt map, 1500 BTC. Above, below. Yeah, above, mostly. Yeah, that's in Binance. Just on Binance, it's 1200 at 67,650. And then on Binance Spot, they had the big orders kind of absorbing that wick last night, right at 70K. And Coinbase, there wasn't really that much up there. Yeah, they're kind of around price action, and then they have big ladders from pretty much 61K. It like starts to build, so cleaning up the local, all the way down to like 50K. Yeah, it's a little bit of a gap between 55 and 51. Yeah, but it's not easy for me to display that on stream. I don't have that tool on this device. It's on my other. He did, I know. Burbanks. I remember Burbeezy. I think it's awesome. It's awesome that you changed it. Yeah, I saw you do that, like right when you did, and I was like, that's fucking sweet. Yeah, legend. Is KIMBA what? Horchata? This is Mandalo. Are we just vibing? So I'm the lit man. Kimba gives us the levels and I just read them on stream and then we just play music. Yeah, it's a pretty nice job, right? Let's get it, y'all. Alright. How's that 4 hour look? Oh, right below. But it, I mean, we can argue the hold. We wanted to see a little deeper, maybe. Maybe like even this. Oh, we can't listen to this again. Even though I love this song so much. I'm not gonna do that to you. Let's see. Yeah, we'll just do the outro. Yeah, Burbeezy.
Started the day with
Yeah, ignore the single prints.
Marked up my charts, saw the stars align.
Really kind of wanted to see a little bit more, but it was close. It was close. If S&P bounces, you know what it is. There was an argument for this level too with PDEQ, previous week value area low, single print grab, and hopefully a reclaim of this level up above. We'll see about that. So far it's a resistance, almost to the pixel, and weekly open. And we'll look at it one last time as we're running this song down. Monthly VWAP, weekly VWAP right here. Need to turn that into support. Monthly close tomorrow. Deribit options tomorrow morning, early. Let's go, Lua Bambua. Syed, Maxi for Beezy, Mark, XLRD, much love. Much love to all the Lions. Lolex. Dude, did you get your name from my watch? I got it in New York. Just kidding, brother. Yeah, it's like the R got rubbed off a little bit, but I think it's legit. Let's go, Leo. Absolutely, Fredward. Great times as always. Yeah, it would have been cool if it was a little bit more exciting, but it was not bad. Not bad, a little move. The math is mathing. Dip the tip. We'll see where the day takes us. Much love, gang. Yeah, Drop Dead Betty. Curvies, big cheers. Keep it up. Thanks, Santers. I appreciate it. I'm just reading Kimba's level, so go to Kimba's Den and you'll get the same juices. It's wonderful confluence. But form your own plans as well. Try to learn why he's identifying those. You see the explanation there. You will really accelerate your learning curve and your development.
Till next time.
Yeah, it's tremendous value.
Till next time.
But until next time, Chaloob! How we doing, Chaloob? Trinkom. VTR. Keep up the work, y'all. Santers, keep up the hard work. Keep enjoying those streams. The replays. Afnagunka, let's go. Yeah, always some fun. Some laughs. Mark, let's go. Much love. Keep the dildos coming. Let's go. Yeah, that's right, Brabai. Yeah, y'all have a wonderful weekend. Maybe I mean, if things get really spicy, but I can't see that coming. It's a monthly close. I think next week's going to be pretty interesting, and definitely the week after. Yeah, we're going to be getting ready for CPR, FOMC. Ooh, we only got a couple weeks left. Exciting. Let's go, Burbeezy, Hannah Montana. Yeah, we didn't even talk about unemployment today. It was like a nothing burger. It was like right at pretty close to expectations. We got no dollar from it. Ace, Horchata, Buzz, Calling Noob. Shout outs to the team. Zerniat. Let's go fucking Idol. So Guru, no rate cuts, but we still ballin'. Buzz, Housty, Cage. Shout outs to KIMBA, shout outs to BTCC. Coinwise. Exclamation Coinwise. Exclamation Dashboard. Talent show later. Make sure you're there. Maybe the giveaways that reactivated by then. Who knows? But exclamation talent show to get your chance to submit a song. Let's go, Leo. If you're not burping, you're not juicing, Leo. Froggy Shot, have a nice day. Froggy Shy behind. Said Froggy Shot. Let's get it. Alright, peace out, y'all. Much love. I'm out of here. Burp easy. I see you. Leo. Alright. There it is, Froggy. Mark, Checkster. Alright, much love. Have a great day, y'all. Hey, if you don't use a stop loss, I'm gonna slap the shit out ya. Burger, shout out to PSG. I'm not crying, you crying. He raving. Hey, who juicing tomorrow? Live trading tomorrow. Talent show today. We still got a lot of juice left in this week, this month, and a whole lot of juice this year. Let's get it. It is the saddest part of the day, curvies. But you know what? It just makes all the time we spend together that much sweeter. Have a great day, y'all. Love ya. Peace. It's too easy. Bugatti. Let's go drink on. Later. Peace.
Class in session, lines pay attention. Professor Mandalo, juice is the lesson. Charts don't lie, numbers show the way. KIMBA gang minds turn data to the pay. Grab your notebooks, mark your lines. Patience in the jungle is how we shine. Knowledge is power, math is the key. Every young line gon' learn from me. If lines can't do it, homie, it can't be done. Work, sweat, and grind, the journey just begun. I'ma elevate the game, show you how it's won. Prepare with the wisdom lines, trades gon' run. Pressure in the candles, the market makers is frontin'. We see through they scandals, price is the box and we puntin'. Bugatti money focus, flexing on my mind.